Hey, college students, this is a short demo on how to use the Lightroom mobile app. You will need to download it onto your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the app. When you first launch it, you'll probably be in this home screen. So the first thing I would suggest is going up to the next to the house. There's a stack of books. That's your library. And go ahead and make a new album by hitting the plus. We're going to say album. We're going to call it shoot one or whatever you like. This will be for your very first photo shoot. And go ahead and click on it. So now when you take photos, they will be copied into this album. So I'm going to hit the little camera. And now I am in the Lightroom capture. And so this is probably what it'll start out looking like. So first thing you want to do is change it to black and white. So this triple circle will give you multiple filters. I suggest the one all the way on the right, the one that says flat black and white. And then if you click the three circles again, it goes away. And you want to switch from auto to professional mode. So you will notice I have this grid, which is really useful for composing. It's rule of thirds. It won't be automatically there. Sorry, it's this eyeball. And so if you notice, I hit those three dots and then I got the eyeball, and now I'm gonna select thirds. I recommend it. I also suggest switching. You'll see this 4:3. If I click that, I'd switch it to 16:9, which is closer to the 35mm negative. And now we're going to hit those three dots again. It goes back to the other pane, and so you can control your shutter speed, which will control motion. You can control your ISO, so if you hit the ISO and slide the slider, you could change that. I'm probably going to suggest being at 400 if you're indoors, maybe 100 to 200 if you're outdoors and it's sunny. And then I'm going to go ahead and adjust my shutter speed to 1/60th. And that looks a little dark, so if it looks dark, you can adjust your ISO. So if it looks too dark, you want to make your ISO higher because it'll make it more sensitive. And if it looked too light, I would have made it lower. Whoops. Just ignore that. And okay, we're back. And so now I'm pretty happy with that. In terms of exposure, the lines are straight. I'm going to take the photograph. I think it could be a more interesting image, so I'm going to try a different angle. And actually, this is my cat, so maybe I'll try get a cute photo of her. But at this point, you would just experiment with the various settings and take photographs just to get comfortable. And then you'll pick your favorite one. Let's see. So she looked dark, so I'm going into my ISO and boosting it. And that would be how you use the app in a general way.